we're back. Hey guys, I'm back for another video. With Halloween coming up, I've been thinking about like Halloween themed projects to do, and I've just been really stuck. I have no idea what to do. And then I got an idea. So, as you probably know, we are kind of in a social distancing kind of situation this year, and I don't know how trick-or-treating is going to work. I mean, it's kind of, with social distancing and COVID, it's kind of hard to just go up to someone's door on Halloween night and ask for candy, right? So I've been thinking of fun alternative ways. And I think I finally have the key. So what about a candy gun? Basically a little tool or an item that fires a candy. Of course, that isn't really the only reason that I'm making this. I know a couple people in specific who might find this very useful. And overall, it's just a fun item. I mean, like, you know, I can be shooting candy at stuff for days and not get bored of it. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. But anyway, let's just get started. So anyway, we're going to be making a candy gun today, and it's basically just going to be a lot like my other projects, except that it's going to shoot candy. So, without further ado, let's get started. And from there on, it's pretty much functional already. Like, there's no aesthetics or anything, but it's already functional. So basically, what I did is that I got purple paint and I painted everything purple, and I put some orange paint right here. And here's the thing: I put candy logos and I glued them around on the blaster, so it looks cool, I guess. Yeah. And I will leave a link in the description below to a Google Drive PDF thing that you can download and print, and it'll already have all of these logos, so that if you make this yourself, then it's like just really easy to put together. So yeah, that's pretty much it.